we're going to talk about the OnlyFans owner receiving a $338 million payout. OnlyFans is a social media platform that allows users to charge subscribers for exclusive content. The platform has become popular with sex workers, but it also hosts a variety of other content, including fitness videos, cooking tutorials, and music. The owner of OnlyFans, Leonid Radvinsky, has received a $338 million payout. This came as OnlyFans' parent company, Phoenix International, saw its annual profits jump to over $500 million. The platform now hosts more than 3 million creators, serving almost 240 million users. Radvinsky is the sole shareholder of Phoenix International, and his personal fortune is estimated at more than $2 billion. The payout comes as OnlyFans has faced criticism from some users and creators over its decision to ban sexually explicit content in October 2021. The company reversed the ban in January 2022, but the controversy has damaged its reputation. Despite the controversy, OnlyFans has continued to grow in popularity. The company's annual revenue is now estimated to be over $2 billion. Radvinsky has said that he plans to use the payout to invest in new businesses and charitable causes.